Hi friends, today I'll expose the fraud which Reliance Communication is doing with all of us. How Reliance Communication is cheating all of us, all the customers, especially the loyal customers. Uh, I'm not talking about Reliance Jio, that is different. I'm talking about Reliance Communications, which is led by Anil Ambani, the old one, Reliance GSM. So the problem is I needed cheap data. And when I got this SMS from Reliance, I became quite happy and I recharged for 93 rupees to get 1 GB data per day for 28 days. That is 28 GB data. Offer sounds good, right? No, it's a very bad offer. I'll show you how. After the recharge, they sent me a message that I'll get 1 GB per day for only 5 days. Then I spoke to the customer care and he assured me that I'll get it for 28 days as mentioned in the offer. But when I tried to use the data, the internet itself was not connecting. I can just switch on the mobile data, but on the top, the edge or the E sign, it was not coming. Okay, fine. I waited and waited. Nothing was happening. Same. I tried all the possible remedies: mobile restart, settings reset, SIM slot change, every possible thing, network selection manual, but all in vain. And finally, I spoke to them and they're saying, "Sir, we are experiencing technical difficulties, so you need to wait." Okay, fine. I waited for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Then on the fourth day, that is on ninth, I was very angry. And then I lodged a complaint. After much difficulty, they took my complaint. Like after around 3 or 4 executives, they said, "Sir, we cannot take a complaint." Then finally, one executive agreed to take a complaint, and it was lodged. And they need a gruesome time of 72 long hours just to solve that. Fine. On 12th morning, I got a call, and he said, "Sir, the issue is solved. You can try right now." Yes, it was working. I tried. Then that day, in the afternoon, I used around 500 MB of data and gone. Internet stopped working. This time, a new problem. It was connecting, but there was no signal sending or receiving signals. So finally, you can say my data was over maybe. But I was busy that day, so I didn't bother much. Next day, I tried using. It wasn't working. It was just connecting and disconnecting. Okay, just it will connect and disconnect. Again, I said thought maybe some technical issue. Then today morning, again the same. So again, I spoke to the Reliance team, and you can see what they have to say. So she says that I haven't received any data for today, and why is that? How did it happen? She doesn't have an answer. She cannot check it. And then she took a complaint, and again a gruesome time of 4 days. You can see 4 days to solve this complaint. So starting of 5th, today being 14th, it's 6 4 10 days. Today being the 10th day, still I don't have internet access. Only one day I could use 500 MB. Imagine, leave aside the money part. Okay, fine. Leave aside 93 rupees. How much time and harassment it costed me. Just imagine how much work I couldn't do just because of this. So this is very bad on their part, and I don't know why they're doing this, but you should stop trusting Reliance as soon as possible. As soon as possible, just port out of it. Just get rid of their damn service. Pathetic service. One more thing I'll tell you. This chat, this chat you can see right here. After around 10 minutes of wait, an agent was attached, and then She was replying very slowly, and it took her around 25 minutes for just this meager interaction. And if I reply late, she will disconnect the chat. But if she replies late or the customer care replies late, it's okay. So imagine the harassment it costed me. Just imagine. So thank you guys for watching, and I've learned a lesson. So I've thought to make a video so that you guys can save your time, money, and efforts. Thank you for watching.